Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will give you instructions to remove the ransomware that is called Yhlgaopimd, and it is called like that because this ransomware encrypts the files, and then after it encrypts them it adds this special extension called Yhlgaopimd. And then the ransomware demands from its victims to pay the special ransom for file decryption. Now, before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open your files without any problems. However, because of some vulnerabilities in the security system, ransomware of any kind may penetrate into the computer and perform its malicious work. So you need to be very careful. You need to make sure that your files are duly protected. And in the rest part of my video, in the final part, I will show you what program I recommend to use to protect your files. So after this ransomware attacks the system and the files, it adds this special extension Yhlgaopimd. And you cannot open your files, of course, anymore. And another point is that removing the extension does not decrypt your files. The files are still unavailable. The ransomware says that you need to pay the special ransom to get your files decrypted. On the other hand, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back and that the files will be restored. So we strongly advise that you do not pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do is to use this special software that will help you to detect this particular ransomware and to remove it from your computer. We recommend you to go to your C drive or any other system drive, go to Program Files, select Internet Explorer as possibly the only available browser after encryption. Download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware by going to the page combocleaner.com. So after it is downloaded and installed, start checking your computer with the help of this application. It will help you to detect this ransomware and to remove it effectively and to protect your system from being infected. Once you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.